Ka Presiden jongka seng CSWO ka kong Agnes Kharshieng kaladawa ya ka sorkar jela bakadei ban pentikna ban penjelan ya ka Jingbishar badru dei ban ai ka saja tang Hapoh kan Briew Bnai ya Briew badon kti ban penyap biki arngut ki hebret na ka snong nongra nonglum haga laipo tarik ujleu ar hajar arpo ar. Halor ke jingmi ke jinge kaja nakadaw bu magistrate ulakhang banbu ya kadur jong ki arngut ki hebrin ki bala sya penyap halau jong ukpa nakaliang ka kong Kharshieng kalaong kalong ka balingo bani ibo magistrate ukhang banbu ya kadur jong ki hebrin bat kane kamde ka pokso case bakimsha ban penpau ya kadur jong kini ki khlung ka kong Kharshieng kalau ongru lada ka sorkar ka sokya halor kane kade ban shimkya ban te lakam ya kum kini ki jingja ban khang ban bu ikidur jongki bat kini ki khna ki dei ki khlung ki babaro ki kwa ban tem balai kum kane ka jingja ka ja kalau ongru ka don ka jingphel ban ya bishar hong ban penya stat ya ki case ka dei na kane ka dauba baki nongle kam snew ki shlor banle ki kam snew Pyrshah ki longkme bat kumju ki khlong khna.
It is very sad indeed, and the society has to wake up, and it's also shocking that the magistrate did not allow them to put the photographs of the children. I don't know under which law or order, and in fact it should circulate so that if there are more people, because if the person held both those children, how did he kill? How did he kill? Did he tie them or what? We have to know. And if nobody sees the photos, then nothing will come out. And it's not a POCSO case. So I don't know why the government, if they are very concerned about children, please stop killings, stop violence, stop all that. And go after that rather than trying to stop something which we don't know under which. And these children are not juvenile, they are small kids, babies, they're angels, and we want to know why this thing happened. The failure to give justice, to speed up cases of perpetrators, so they feel assured that I can rape and I can do anything, I can get away with anything. And this case, I feel they should speed up within 6 months. They should